Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is how to create menu using HTML and CSS. What we discuss on today? How to create menu using HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. Express technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutors like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutors provide the Texas technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic what we discuss on today: how to create menu using HTML and CSS. This is the brackets editor. This is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know. Here I am calling the CSS file. Just I am create the CSS file. I am not to write anything here. How to create menu in HTML and CSS. Yeah, okay. Root class menu bar. Real class menu. Okay. Root class. Contact. Once we check the output. This is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for this. Okay. Put left. Display. Display name block. Okay. Color. Polaroid pattern. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is the process to create the menu using HTML and CSS. I hope we all are understand how to create menu in HTML and CSS. Before going to complete this topic, I will say one thing again. Express Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the Express Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.